Hey guys, welcome back to Fantasy Motorsports, where we actually specialize in Tesla vehicles. And people always ask, hey, how come you have so many Teslas at the shop? Well, the answer may surprise you. Unfortunately, Tesla is known to not have the most perfect paint out of the factory. In fact, there's a lot of issues with the paint. So most of our clients will come to us for paint protection and also paint enhancement, which is paint correction. Paint correction, we actually go over the vehicle. We remove all the light scratches and swirls that come from the factory, maybe even the dealership, at the same time enhancing the paint color itself, making the vehicle absolutely better than factory specs. In addition, once that is complete, the best thing you can do for your vehicle is actually do a protection. So we offer both ceramic coating by Ceramic Pro or paint protection film by various vendors. The brand new Model X 2023 that sits behind me was brought by a client here for not only paint correction and paint protection, but also to enhance a little bit more of the vehicle and give it a special personal touch and a little bit of customization. Let me show you what I'm talking about. When it comes to smoking or tinting your headlights and fog lights, we actually have 3 different shades. We have a light, a medium, and a dark shade. All of them look amazing. Behind me on this beautiful Model X is going to be the medium shade of smoke. You can tell we put this on the headlights. We also put it on the fog lights. So with the color of the white exterior combined with the smoked out headlights and fog lights actually gives a great contrast and a little extra personality. One of the other things we did on this client's Tesla is actually tint the windows. Not just any regular tint, we actually carry Cavace ceramic IR tint, which has the most amount of heat reduction out of any window tint. It's a gorgeous, thick, high quality window tint. Take a look. One of the things we did on this Model X Tesla is actually tint the windows. We use Cavace film. It's one of the best tint you can get on the market. High IR heat reduction, and it carries a lifetime warranty against peeling and bubbling. We tinted the windshield, we tinted the front windows, we tinted the back windows, even the roof windows on the Gullwing. Take a look. In addition to smoking the headlights and the fog lights, we actually smoke the taillights as well. Same tint, medium tint, beautiful S-Tech quality. And by the way, smoking the headlights and taillights and fog lights combined with a nice white paint job, you're looking at a high contrast, ultimate customization. So as you can see, this Model X from Tesla is actually fully loaded here from Fantasy Motorsports. We actually did the front end PPF, paint protection film. We did the paint correction beforehand to enhance the paint, get rid of the light scratches, light swirls, and we tinted all the windows. We fogged out, or actually we smoked out the headlights, the tail lights, and the fog lights. And then afterwards, the final thing, the final product, we actually laid over an entire ceramic coating over the vehicle. So this vehicle is fully protected, beautifully done, high contrast black and white, and ready for the road. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like our videos. And who knows, maybe your car will be the next one showcased on one of our videos. Take care.